Namaskar all. How are you all? So you all are celebrating Navaratri?
Yes.
You all are daily going to see the Golu dolls?
Yes.
I am going to talk to you something which you like very much. Superhero movies. Anybody like superhero movies? Tell loudly. Is there any Indian superheroes? No. I am not asking about the movie superheroes. I am asking about the real life superheroes. Seriously? What was Dhoni? How many of you like Hanuman? Okay. Can anybody say Jai if you like Hanuman when I say? Okay, shall I say? Are you ready? I want the entire hall where you are sitting should shake. Okay? Bolo Rama Dhuta Hanuman ki. Not audible here. More louder. Hanuman should smile. Rama Dhuta Hanuman ki. Who's this? No. Go man. What is go? Who's called go? Yes. He's always with cows, right? Therefore, his name is Go Man. Are you all ready? Ready to say Jai? More loudly this time, okay? Bolo Shri Krishna Bhagwan ki. Honestly speaking, it is not at all audible. Hanuman was more louder than Krishna. One more round, okay? Chitta Chor Krishna Bhagwan ki. That's beautiful. Are you ready for the third superhero? Can anybody guess who? What is this person's name? Oh, there should be some man behind it, right? What man he is? Exactly. Yes. Himma man. Are you ready for the Ghosha? This time it should be louder than Hanuman and Krishna. Are you ready? More louder, okay? Everybody sit straight. He's a warrior. Sit straight. Ready? I will say Hara. You all should say loudly Mahadeva. Are you ready? Hara. Hey, no energy here. You all had breakfast or not? Hara. Superb. See his biceps and triceps. Six pack. Okay, any guess who's the fourth person? No. No. He is one of the students and children favorite of India. No. Shall I show?
Yes.
How many of you like to see? Is as powerful as Hanumanji. Why? Can anybody say? No. Not because of Laddu. If you know the answer, raise your hand. Rajam. Ma'am, Raja Tilakam ma'am will ask you one by one, and who tells the answer first, Raja Tilakam ma'am will give a very big 5-star. Okay, I will ask the question now. The question is, why Bhima is as powerful as Hanuman? Raise your hand if you know. Don't tell. Raja Tilakam ma'am will ask one by one. And tell loudly.
Because they both were brothers.
How they are brothers?
How they are brothers? Because they both were sons of Vayu.
Correct answer. Shall we go to the next?
Yes.
Now, we have seen 4 superheroes, right? First one, second one, Goman. Hanuman, Goman. Third one, Himaman. Fourth one, Bhiman. Now, we are going to see how these 3 people are superheroes. Are you ready? Am I audible? Are you all interested? Okay. Hanuman is very innocent. What is innocent? He is always playful. He will always do something naughty. Do you all do naughty things? Good. You all are potential superheroes of future. But also Hanuman do something else. What is that? Dhyana, meditation, silence. Do you all keep your mouth shut and eyes shut and not sleep and sit straight? Do you do that? Shall we sit like this Hanuman, baby Hanuman for 5 seconds? Everybody, sit. Close your eyes. Sit straight. Sit straight. Don't peep. Don't look at your friends. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Place your hands one over the other like this and put it on your lap. Same like baby Hanuman. And now, from your heart, you should say Ram. How should you say? Now, slowly you should reduce the sound. Okay? Ram. One more round. Don't open your eyes. Even lesser sound. Go. Even lesser sound. Close your eyes. Don't open. One more round. Go. Even reduce volume. One more round. Go. Last round. More less sound. Go. Wow. Super. Open your eyes. Now we are trying to see, by practicing daily Rama Japa, how Hanuman became in the future. Nice, right? Even when he became a Superman, even when the entire world was worshipping him, he used to always worship Rama. He never thought I am great. After going to school, After teacher teaching so many things, he didn't come home and tell mom, you don't know anything. I know everything. My teacher tells and I know everything. You don't know anything. Hanuman used to never say. Even after becoming a Superman, Hanuman used to always help mom and dad and also his guru Rama. Will you all be like Hanuman? It's not audible. You are all still in meditation. Okay. But it is not about just meditation, not about just silence. There is also another dimension of Hanumanji. Are you ready? He was always there to help people. Whenever any problem happens to anybody, he will be the first person to go and help. Even if he cannot help, he doesn't mind. He will try to help. And that is why Hanuman became so great. Not that Hanuman was very, very powerful and he could win all wars, but he was very, very kind to help everybody. Will you all help? Arey, not audible. Shall we go to the next one? Have you seen Krishna like this before? Really, really, Krishna is always a cool person. He's a cool dude. Always happy, always smiling. But do you know the secret of Krishna? I will show you. This is the secret of Krishna.
He will drink always.
Krishna used to meditate whenever he gets time. And Krishna used to meditate with this flute. Do you all have any musical instruments to play? You all should buy one musical instrument, or you all should learn any music, vocal or anything else. Because Krishna understood music is a method to become a superhuman. Do you want to become superhero?
Yeah!
You want to save so many people's life?
No.
Then you should get into music right from today. Will you all get into music like Krishna?
Yes.
And also there is another side of Krishna. Not the cool, happy, smiling, helping, playing Krishna. But the other side is very different. Again, the same smiling Krishna will also help people whenever there is a trouble. He will be the first person to go in front and run and help people. And that time Krishna will not be smiling. When there is a target, when there is a deadline, when there is something given to him, a task, he will do anything, but he will complete the task at the end of the day. He will not compromise his duties. Will you all be like that?
Yes.
How is this? Have you seen Shiva like this?
No.
Baby Shiva. On what he is sleeping?
On a tiger.
Tiger.
Cheetah.
Yes, leopard skin. See, again Shiva is also meditating. At least 1 minute a day, we all let us sit in a silent place with a closed eyes and just sit for 1 minute. Will you all do for me?
Yes.
1 minute a day, 24 hours we got. 1 minute we need to sit straight and with closed eyes we need to sit. Don't think anything, don't talk, don't use cell phone, don't bring a notebook, don't think about your school, homework, parents, games, movies, nothing. And don't sleep, very important. Just sit, close your eyes. Will you do this?
Yes.
And only where there is more compassion, only there is superhero. Even Shiva is very, very, very helpful. And even when very big demons come, the same calm child Shiva will become Rudra Shiva. and he will stand in the forefront and he will fight until the victory has come. Are you all understanding? So we also should be more soft. At the same time, we also should be more strong. Okay?
Okay. Ladies. Parvati.
Not Wonder Woman. Indian woman. Do you know any Indian superwoman?
Durga Devi.
Is she cute?
Yes.
I have put numbers in the corner. Can you read the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 1. I am going to show you 5 photos of lady woman, superwoman of India. I want you to choose which one you like very much. Okay? Okay, let us see who wins. Ready? Rajatilagam ma'am will count the total number and which number wins, she will see in the total. Final. So, first one is this superwoman. Second, she is literally taking the blood from the head in a vessel and drinking.
Drinking.
The belt is nice, right? See the belt? Necklace?
Hands and skull. Hand is the
Fourth image. Head. And see who is below the feet. Lord Shiva. Have you seen this image anywhere else?
Yes.
Where?
Temple.
Which temple? Shall I show the last image?
Yes. Rani.
Mata Rani. She is Mata Rani. Okay. Shall we do the voting? The question is, till now, we saw superheroes as Marvel characters, Avengers, all those things, DC, etc. Today, we saw few samples. There are hundreds and hundreds of superheroes. You know, Narasimha Avatara is one superhero, Varaha Avatara is one superhero, Vamana Avatara is one superhero, Bhadrakali is one superhero, Chamundi is one superhero. There are so many. All the statues in the Golu, each one of them are superheroes. But today only we saw all these kinds of approach, right? So till now 15 to 20 minutes which we saw as Indian superheroes, what did you learn from it and what are you going to do or think hereafter? This is the question. I repeat the question, don't raise hand. What have you learned by knowing all the Indian superheroes and what are you going to do or practice or think hereafter? This is the question. Raise your hands. Okay, let's listen from these two people first. Please tell me.
Nandu.
I will learn. I learned that I will daily meditate. Then I will help others and be a big superhero like them.
Wonderful. Second.
Amrutendu.
I have learned that we should follow the path of Dharma and Satya and meditate, and we will be the real superhero in our future.
Fantastic, fantastic. Super. We all should utilize this opportunity of Navaratri and we need to understand why these three different qualities are mentioned and how we can imbibe and how we can become superpower in the future. Will you all do this?
Yes.
Wonderful. Let us say Namah Shivaya. We will meet again. Next time I will come and I will meet you all for next Navaratri. Thank you.
Namaste. Namaste.
Namah Shivaya.